we are going to cook rice, fish curry, and the potato. You like boiled potatoes?
Yes, I like.
Right. First boil some potatoes, and then we make a curry with the fish curry, and then bring cabbage is there, and we make a salad with the cabbage.
Where did you learn?
Practice.
Practice, yeah.
Ah, yes. When I am small, my mother teach me how to cook. We are 3 girls in our family, so each day, Sunday mother, Monday my elder sister, second sister Tuesday, I Wednesday. Like that way, it's going on like
one by one.
One by one, yes. So mother will teach us, taught us. So then now from I think from year 11 years, when I was 11 years old, I can cook rice and curry, dal curry. Dal curry is the easiest thing to do, curry to make.
So first you learn dal curry.
Yeah.
How many water you put?
Just put and just leave with the finger we measure like that. Right. Can't take. Not take it out. Oh yes. Yes, they cut and give normally. Here. We take it out this one, and we boil it first. Wash it and boil it first. I'll do this. And I like to make a curry with milk.
Sri Lankan style, eh?
Yeah, Sri Lanka style. It's tasty. This is turmeric.
Yeah.
And put little of pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
Gambiris we call. It's in like no, little. Very little. You can't eat. It's not so hot type. And curry powder. This is a curry powder. And salt. Salt little. It's too much then, no? Right. And soya sauce. A little bit of soya sauce. And onion. I want to make it easy. Onion, garlic, what do you call this? Goraka? I don't know. What do you call this? This is a sour taste. Goraka paste. Goraka paste.
Looks like pumpkin.
Not.
No.
It's a small thing. Looks designed like this. This is the fruit. It's get red, very red, and then we get dry and become dark. Here, this is a paste.
I think I have never seen this one.
This is very sour taste.
Sour taste.
Sour taste, yes. We put that because when you when you have pressure, this is very good with the garlic, and this is we do the thing and we eat that. It's very good for the pressure, means cholesterol go down with this. So,
Yeah, it's
and
like
cinnamon.
plum.
Yeah, plum like this. 4 to 3 cardamoms. The here, cardamom.
Yeah.
Cardamom. You caught me?
Cloves.
This is cloves. The other one, coriander and cumin seeds only in this curry powder. And we have to put the others. Then the other day, yesterday I make, this is cinnamon powder. This is not that sadika, this is some other, this thing, may see?
Oh,
Cinnamon powder.
Cinnamon powder. Yeah, very real. Real taste. I
Yes,
think.
real taste, yes. And some salt, no? It's not too much. Right. This is also nutmeg. Nutmeg is, we make jam and we make...
Jam.
Yes, it's very tasty. Nutmeg jam. Now we all put everything and just... and leave some time, about 10 minutes like. Then I must scrape coconut, right? Scrape coconut and put it little. Right?